So a very good friend of mine, Diamante Albergati, is paralyzed from neck down. He will tell you his personal story, and he will show to you what he can do now only with head movements. So he has made the journey directly from north part of Italy, and we wanted to thank you for his great effort that he has made for us. So I guess. Okay. Hello? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Can you hear me? Yes. Okay, great. So Diamante, now you can see Diamante's screen right now over there, and you see myself over there. Just a few words. This is a standard laptop with the Windows operating system with QualiWorld platform that we have developed in Switzerland. We already have distributed that in 17 different countries. We have translated into 11 different languages as well. It's very important to localize that. We are using a standard webcam, and Mr. Diamante is controlling the computer through head movement. It's the only part of the body that he can control. And you can see now that maybe we can start write something. Vuoi scrivere qualcosa con scrivi? So now he has opened the word editor with a virtual keyboard, and now he's writing only with head movement. Ciao, hello. Very simple. Now Mr. Diamante is opening a document that has been prepared in English for you. Unfortunately, he does speak Italian, but no English. So, apri. No. It's the first time for Mr. Diamante on stage, so he's quite nervous. Okay, va bene. Apri. So this is, if would like to...
My name is Diamante and I am 55 years old. I became quadriplegic due to a work accident in 2002. Before my accident I was living with my daughter. After my accident my daughter had to go and live with her aunt and she could only visit me periodically. In 2003 I had to move from my home to a medical residential institute, called the Simpeda Institute, in Italy, where I was told I'd have to stay for the rest of my life due to my physical condition. As a result I had to give up all my hobbies and interests. I started to isolate myself from others and the world around me. In 2005 the Simpeda Institute was equipped with new computer technology and software provided by Qualilif. My interest in computer technology as a result of the Qualilif system gave me hope, and I started to work at the reception desk of the Institute. Right now, my days are concentrated on physical rehabilitation and the use of the computer. Specifically I use a personal laptop with Qualilif, and I use my head movements to control the mouse. I am much happier and interested in life, and I cannot live without technology anymore. Because of the computer, I have started to communicate remotely via audio calls, SMS and emails. I am looking for a home where I can live by myself and have my daughter back with me. My detailed objectives are now to find an interior balance and mental calm in my life, improve my physical situation, renew my relationships with my daughter and friends, and become more independent with advanced technologies such as video calls, entertainment, telework and home automation. I believe I can do all of this because of computers in Qualilif. Now I will show you how I use a computer.
Okay, that was an explanation of Diamante's situation. And we are so proud that we have helped Diamante to get a second chance in his life after the accident. So now we are seeing the browser, so how he can surf the net freely without any limitation. So now he's opening up which web browser? Be careful. Okay, that's quite live. Okay, okay. That's the institute in north of Italy where he's actually living, not for a long time because he's going to move to his private home because of technology. Okay, now what we can do? Puoi chiudere? Now we go to see just the email application. Now Mr. Diamante can write, send, receive emails by himself without the need of any third person or help. So then we can close this one and go to the multimedia player. He can play any music he likes that he stores in his own computer, any video, entertainment by himself. That's the photo album application, so he can store the picture from the daughter, the vacation he went, and make a slide presentation as well. So he can do that all by himself just with head movements. That's a friend of Mr. Diamante. Okay. Thanks for the nice music. Then Diamante has a very good friend called Romina. She's actually now in northern Italy waiting for Diamante's call through IP. So by himself he can call, also in video calls, any friends or relatives directly. So let's see if Romina is live. So he can chat and talk through the internet.
Ciao, tutto bene?
Romina also is a disabled person.
Com'è il tempo lì?
Saluto, ciao.
She likes to talk, so we have to stop her.
Vediamo domani.
Ok.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Bravo. So now, briefly, we go to he can run watch any DVD film, so he can run his own film, manage it by himself, without the use of remote control or any external device, which is not accessible, unfortunately. So now we just start the film that he can manage in total independency. So you can close. And to show just the last feature, technology that is fully accessible, which is not the last one. We have 22 different ones available. One of the technology was very important in order to give more independence was home automation technology, in order to control anything that is electrical in your room, home. So through the computer now, Diamante is able to control any electrical device in his house. That's why he's moving back at home. And we have just set up 2 lamps here that now Mr. Diamante is turning on through the computer by himself. And he can control anything, the ventilator, the air conditioning, the heater, whatever that has electricity. Now he's turning off everything. So that was a quick presentation of what, at this moment, technology can do for people with disabilities. So, thank you, Diamante. Grazie mille. Sei un grande. Okay.
Thank you, Claudio and Diamante. We've already started on Arabizing this and getting some good prices for Egypt from Quali Life. Yeah, so
free.
Just
free.
It's free. They said it's free. Thank you.
Thank you.